Classification of business activities. Now business activities are classified into two types. One is industry and second is commerce. First we will study about industry. So what is industry? Industry implies the economic activities that are associated with the conversion of resources into goods that are ready for use. Now what happens here? You take certain raw materials and you convert it into finished goods so the consumers can use it. That is industry. The term industry also means a group of firms producing similar or related goods. So industry, there is one more meaning for industry. It means that a group of firms producing similar or related goods. For example, all those companies who are manufacturing vehicles will be termed under automobile industry. In the same way, sugar industry refers to all manufacturing units producing sugar from sugarcane. Now types of industries. So main three type of industries are there. One is primary industry, secondary industry and tertiary industry. Primary is further divided into agriculture industry, extractive industry, genetic industry, and secondary is divided into manufacturing industry and construction industry. So let's study all these industries one by one. First is primary industry. Now such type of industries are concerned with nature. It is a nature oriented industries. Now the products of primary industry may be used as the input of secondary industry. For example, primary industry consists of agriculture industry, extractive industry, genetic industry. Now if you grow potatoes, so growing those potatoes is a part of primary industry. Now with the help of that potatoes you will make, say, fries, french fries or something like that. Now converting those potatoes into fries is a part of secondary industry. So the product of primary is used as an input of secondary industry. Now let's see what is agricultural industry. So agriculture industry includes farming and cultivation of land. The quality of product depends upon many factors like fertility of land, climatic condition, rainfall, etc. So this is agricultural industry. Then there is extractive. We have to extract something here from the ground or underground. So generally the products are in raw form and they are used by manufacturing and construction industries for producing finished products. For example, extracting oil and minerals from underground, fishing and forestry, etc. So these are extractive industry. With the help of this extractive industries, we can use it further for manufacturing and even for the construction work. Then third is genetic industry. Genetic industries are engaged in reproduction and multiplication of plants and animals. So here plants, animals will keep on multiplying, means their numbers will get increased. For example, animal husbandry, sericulture, horticulture, etc. So we know what is animal husbandry. So here sericulture means silk farming, wearing of silk worms for the production of silk fiber. It is known as sericulture. And horticulture is a branch of agriculture concerned with the cultivation of garden plants. Generally there are flowers, vegetables, etc. B part is secondary industry. Now secondary industry is dependent on primary industry. Primary industry will provide some raw material and secondary industry will convert it into finished products. For example, tomatoes provided by primary industry are used for making sauce and ketchup. Even in the same way, I have given one example of potatoes also. Potatoes can be converted into French fries. So all these are the part of secondary industry. Mostly it is consist of manufacturing industry and construction where we are creating something. So what is there in manufacturing industry? These industries are engaged in transforming raw material into finished products with the help of machines and manpower. So your machines are used, manpowers are used. Manpower means human. Accordingly, with the help of machines plus manpower, we will convert the raw material into finished products. The final goods may be capital goods or consumer goods. For example, textiles, sugar, paper industry, etc. Here capital goods are those goods which are used by one business to help another business to produce consumer goods. And consumer goods are those goods which are directly consumed by the consumers itself. Some example of capital goods are like buildings, machinery, tools. And for consumer goods, there are food, clothing, automobiles, etc. Then there is construction industry. Now, as a name suggests, what we are going to do, we are going to do a construction. Construction of what? Buildings, dams, bridges, roads, tunnels, canals, metro, etc. All this thing will come under construction industry. Then C part is tertiary industries. Service facilities are provided by these industries. It includes transport, banking, which comes under the traditional category, whereas in modern times, hotel industry, tourism industry, entertainment industry, etc. are also included. So tertiary industry is mostly or it mostly functions in cities, in urban areas, where various types of services comes in tertiary industry. Just like if you go in a movie theater to watch a movie, so that is a part of tertiary industry. Or if you are traveling by your train, metro, or any other vehicle, that is a part of tertiary industry.